person just walk and they're all just gonna hit him. Please, bud, don't fucking kill him. At least he at least swerved from killing him and stopped. This other...
If you're a resident of Nova Scotia, struggling with heavy debts on credit cards or other bills, then we have great news for you this month. Finally, there are debt relief programs extended to every Nova Scotia resident with $10,000 or more in unsecured debts. Click the blue button under this video to see if you're eligible for these debt relief programs in Nova Scotia. You may be eligible to reduce what you owe by 3/4 of your balances. For example, let's say you owe $10,000 on credit cards. You could reduce that amount to as little as $2,500. Or, let's say you pay $500 a month on your debts. You could cut that down to as
Speaking of 2 sevens.